surrounding DK Shukumar singing the national anthem is concerned. Now, the other story that's making headlines for the last several days is the Dharmasthala row. Now, in the latest, of course, NDTV has gathered some key information as far as the investigation is concerned. Right now, the SIT, which has arrested this masked man for perjury, that is, for lying on oath, has really delved deeper into the case. They're looking into a larger conspiracy. Who are the people who are working along with the masked man? Today we saw the SIT conducting a spot inspection or a mazar at an individual named Mahesh Timrodi's residence. This is where the masked man was taking shelter, is what the SIT officials believe. They're trying to really unearth how did this entire plan come by, what was the intention behind the plan, and who are the people. What we have picked up is that for several months this was in the making. There was a plan to actually come out with these claims or allegations, which right now many of the claims, of course, has been busted as false by the SIT themselves. Now, what we here at NDTV have learned through top sources is that a team met this masked man in Tamil Nadu. From Tamil Nadu, a team also went to Delhi, met some Supreme Court lawyers. A petition was filed there. Even there, during that time, there was an image of this skull which the masked man carried into the police station. The question that arises here, viewers, is that whether this individual actually got this skull from Dharmasthala as he initially claimed. That is itself now under doubt, and a detailed forensic analysis, of course, is awaited. Now, meanwhile, there's a lot of politics that's continuing to play out even within the Congress party. On one hand, the BJP says we need an NIA investigation. On the other hand, the Home Minister says, well, we don't need an NIA probe. The SIT is efficient enough to conduct this investigation. But there are leaders within the Congress who say, well, let's do an NIA probe. Nothing wrong in that. Let's clear the air. So let's listen to all of these reactions, which has really blown up the entire controversy.
ತನಿಖೆ ನಮ್ಮ SIT ಸಮರ್ಪಕವಾಗಿದೆ, ಸಮರ್ಥವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. NIA ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಹಿರಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ನಾವು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಉದ್ದೇಶಪೂರ್ವಕ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಅಥವಾ ತಾನಾಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆದರೆ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜನತೆ ಬರೀ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಕೂತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ NIA ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
We have no problem for this politically motivated NIA or anybody, let them come. It is not the fight between Dharmasthala and others. It is a clash between the two gains of RSS that has led to this fight. They have got nothing to do with the Dharmasthala. It is a fight between two top RSS leaders that has led to all this confusion. They should probe that. They should ask those leaders to keep quiet. Let the Dharmasthala be peaceful.